Here is a program to demonstrate moving a motor forward and then backwards. The program that we have here is a little bit more complex than you would need if you were just to move a motor forward or backwards, but I wanted to highlight some other programming constructs at the same time. First, I've included the whole piece of code in a for loop. This for loop is going to run 3 times as indicated by the constant that is wired into that for loop. Second, my program starts by waiting for the touch sensor. This allows me to get set up before it starts executing. The main part of the code first moves a motor forward. That motor is attached to port A and is going to run at power 30. It goes for 1 second, starting the motor, going for 1 second, and then stopping. On the back end of the program, we have the similar code, but this one drives the motor backwards, and that's indicated by the fact that it's going at -30. Again, port A is wired throughout all the motor commands, so I'm only driving the motor attached to port A. In the middle, I've also included a beep here. This is simply just to indicate that the program, the location in the program that it has finished moving forward and is about to move backwards. All right, so here I have an EV3 robot. It has a touch sensor that's connected to port 1, as well as a medium motor here connected to port A. And I'll just attach this little indicator here so that we can actually see the medium motor turning. So if I start this program, first thing it's doing is waiting for the touch sensor to be pressed. As soon as I press that touch sensor, it's going to move forward, beep, and then move backwards. Now it has looped back around and is again waiting for that touch sensor to be pushed. While it's waiting, I'm going to swap this out. I'm going to actually take out the medium motor from port A and plug in the first large motor into port A. So now when I press the touch sensor, it will then move the large motor. And similarly, it's looped back around, and I can do the same thing for the third motor, this other large motor that I'm plugging into port A. And so again, I'll press the touch sensor, and it goes through this loop the third time. The program exits, and here you see a demonstration of moving a motor forward and then backwards.